Hello, Zinni's gang. How are you all doing? Happy Valentine's Day to you people. From me to you, I love you. I love you. I've said it consistently this year, especially you are the best part of my channel. You are the best part of my 2024. You are the best part of my life. I hold you people so dearly to my heart. So this is a virtual hug from Ezinne to all my subscribers and everybody who stops by to watch my video. So this is the night before Valentine's Day. I'm going to make sure that this video goes up on the 14th of February, which is surprisingly Ash Wednesday. However, I want to unbox two items that I got for myself for Valentine's Day. Just two items. I have some persons who have told me that they got me something for Val, and I've not seen it yet. So I don't know, maybe if it gets to me by tomorrow, I would probably unbox it on this video. But I'm trying to take my skincare very seriously. I think I've said that that is part of my 2024 goal. I've always been that kind of I've always been that kind of on the go kind of lady, but I said no, I have to like take care of my skin, make it more popping and all of that. Decided to pay special attention to it, to have been, picking up a few things here and there for myself. First and foremost, I've never owned a sunscreen before. I've seen a lot of reviews. I'm going to buy three, but I just told myself, why are you doing too much? Why are you doing too much? So I just told myself, okay, let me just start with one. I've never owned a sunscreen ever. So I decided to like start from the easier ones. But this is the sunscreen I bought. Is Desire Beauty Skincare. It's sunscreen, instant protection skin color, SPF 90, oil free sunscreen product protection, because I really have oily face. Something that is oil free works. So I don't know if I should. This is what it looks like out of it's a small tube. So I said, let me start with this one. I don't know, this is night now. Where am I wearing sunscreen to? I got what is it called, Dr. Rachel's vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face cream. This is the second or the third Dr. Rachel I'm buying. I've gotten their face wash, and then I have used this vitamin C serum for a year plus now. I've been using the serum. This is like my fourth or my third bottle. I can't remember how many bottles, but I've always repurchased this. I've not tried other vitamin C serums, so but this is the first one I'm trying. So that is my I didn't buy that vitamin C serum, but for this video this is what I bought, the face cream. So let us unbox it rather. Let me see what it looks like straight out of the box. So ta-da! Oh, I like the fact that it's glass. Okay, the vitamin C is also glass. So let me use this, and it's covered. I like it. I like the fact that it is covered. Ooh. Okay, let me use it on my face and see what it feels like. See the quantity I'm going to be trying. There's no light. I don't want anything that'll make me sweat profusely this night. So let me use small. It's cold on the face. It smells like it smells like the vitamin C. I like how it feels on the face. I like that it's in this bottle. But the reason why I don't like creams in this kind of bottle is the fact that I have to dip my hand inside it. I don't like dipping my hand inside bottles to take cream. You get? I feel like maybe someday, uncontrolled, that someone is going to like just come to the bottle and dip their hands that they've not washed. You understand what I'm saying? Something like that. It is also drying out really fast. Not drying out, but like it is blending into the skin really fast, and I love that. So let me just go ahead and apply my vitamin C serum, and Then we are going to try out the sunscreen. See how much I have left. It's well, it's way below the half bottle. So I just drop it at different parts of my face and rub it in. I like this feeling already. Fan my face. I like the fact that this is not hot, or rather it doesn't feel hot on the face. You guys get ready to be sick of me. By the time I finish talking about my skincare sense, I'm not going to start doing my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine. This one I'm doing is just because I'm trying out products. So let's see me. So this is the sunscreen. Let's try it. If it leaves any yamanama feel on my face, I'm going to wash my face off. So that is that about my unboxing. Or you have seen how it went. Maybe when applying it next time, I'm going to use a smaller quantity. Hello Ezinne's gang, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ezinne-Speaks store. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. I am so excited. This will be the first time I'm actually wishing you guys a Valentine's Day. This video is most definitely going up today. I will edit it and post it today. So this is sharp 6 a.m. As most of you already know, today is Valentine's Day, and again today is Ash Wednesday. So my father just left the house. I am rushing to meet up in church because I'm sure he has reserved an activity for me in church. So I actually want to carry you guys along on my activities today, if that makes sense. I'm sure I'm going to, this is going to be, oh, I'm rushing, I don't want, this is 10 past 6, but I can't hear any sound in church, so I just hope I am able to meet up. This is going to be, what is wrong with this watch? This is going to be spend the Valentine's Day with me, so anything I do today, I will tell you people. This is not time to begin to break them down, but then I will. I can't find my earring. Let me wear the one I can find. This is not the time to break them down, but once I come back from church, I will break it down for you people. I'm using wood today, Riggs wood. So, and let me top up with armor. So I just took my shower. I just rushed out from shower. Yeah, I'm just wearing this Ankara gown. Hold on. I'm wearing this simple Ankara gown, and then nothing else. I didn't apply cream because the heat is crazy. Let me just take my Bible and my purse for offering and dash out to church. Oh, I'm not wearing lip balm. Hi. Rushing and filming is one flex that nobody tells you. Just lip balm, then my footwear. I'm just going to wear slippers. I mean, this is 6 a.m. Just going to wear this my best friend foot, and let's go to church. Bye guys. Okay, church ended about 3 hours ago. This is past 9 now. I'm ready. I want to go to church. I want to go to the office now, but before that I want to gift one of my colleagues. I want to gift one woman in my office, just to give her Valentine gift. So I want to go and get her the gift. and what I'm giving to the lady, then I'll go to the office. So that is it. I'll maybe carry you along at the mall. Let's see what we'll buy. I'm thinking of getting her a perfume. Yeah, that is it. So any other thing, I'm gonna show you. I just came out of the mall. I had to park down there because they are working on the road. And meanwhile, I got a flat tire. I will show you people. Someone is fixing the tire already. So I've been so below.